What is up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and I look like a fucking emo right now. I know, lockdown made me do it. But anyways, you probably just saw a package that I just threw on the bed, which is obviously another unboxing video. Boom! So yeah, I actually ordered something from Amazon yesterday. This is next day delivery, so it's actually pretty good. And I ordered a USB condenser for my desk. Hopefully it'll bring audio a lot better quality and stuff like that, and it'll be better for my gaming videos as well. So without further ado, let's actually unbox this and take a look inside. Okay guys, so here's the box, and I'm going to place you guys down and then we're going to start unwrapping. Alright guys, so I've got the box, and before I get into this video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. I hope this review helps when I finish all of this unwrapping and unpacking and stuff. And I'll get it set up on the desk as well. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So, here we have the box. I'm not going to show my address because that would just be bad. So, pretty much just comes in a really long cardboard box. And let's have a look inside. Alright, so first thing in the box is the cover. So this will obviously protect you from blowing like really heavily into the mic, etc. So that's pretty smart. And I like how it's really long enough and you can bend it around at certain angles as well. So that's really good. Next we've got the instructions, but I mean we're too boss to like read the instructions. We don't need instructions, so fuck that shit. That was a fail. And then we have here the microphone. So that's what it looks like. It's really cold. I guess it's just because it's metal and stuff, but yeah, that's it right there. So you've got like echo and volume, etc. And yeah, it's quite a nice decent sized microphone to use. Also, I remember I was buying this product and I was reading in some of the reviews, and some of them said that they delivered it and it ended up broken. So hopefully this isn't broken when I start setting it up. So next one we've got, I have no clue what this is, so we're going to open it anyway. I guess this is just part of the arm or something. Oh, that's just like the clip thing, pretty much. But yeah, alright. Oh, is that for the mic? I think that's for the mic. Yeah, it does look like it's for the mic. We'll figure it out. And then next we've got the little microphone cover as well. So they did deliver it, but not in the best way. They've got a couple of creases in it, which isn't good. I suppose it'll soothe out once it's on the microphone. But yeah, we've got the little cushioned microphone. Next up, we've got the arm. So this is going to go on my desk, and sorry about that, I think my camera died because the battery was running low and I saw the sign and I just wanted to ignore it because, you know. But anyways, I think we got to this bit in the video. This is like the arm, so it just bends out like that and then straight back in. So that's pretty cool. And then we've got the cables, and I think this is the one that plugs into the microphone because it's got the little 3 jacks into the end of it. So let's take a look. I really need to hurry up because I've got dinner soon in like the next half an hour, so I'm just trying to speed through this video. But here we've got the little USB port and the little jack for the microphone as well, and then just the long cable that's all tied up. And then this part here, I know exactly what this is for. We've seen it in the photo. So this last part of the video here is for the desk, so you just have to unscrew that and then twist it right to tighten it clockwise, yeah, clockwise. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up the whole thing, and hopefully it'll look really smart with the whole setup and everything. I also need to get a new monitor, but this is just the start of the whole setup and everything like that, so it should be really fun. I might make this like a series or something. I'm not too sure if you guys would enjoy that, but let me know down in the comments. Okay guys, so here's all the equipment here that's just lying on my bed at the moment. I'm just going to quickly give you guys a quick brief of what this is, if you don't know already. So it's a USB condenser microphone Coolotron BM900 condenser microphone kit with adjustable microphone suspension, scissor arm, shock mount and double layer pop filter for studio, recording and broadcasting. I don't think I'm going to be broadcasting, I'll be mostly recording as it is YouTube that we're talking about after all. But without further ado, let's get all this set up. Okay guys, so this is all done now, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The only issue I would probably say about this is the fact that it doesn't actually reach as far as where my chair is, so I think that needs to be slightly bent more around, and then afterwards you just spin that round and then it should probably reach my face. But anyways, I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. I will leave this product down in the description below along with my other social medias which will be my Twitch, Twitter and Instagram. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free to give me a follow or whatever you like. And without further ado guys, I'm gonna head off and probably record a gaming video on my second channel. If you guys haven't actually seen my part 3 yet for Batman Telltale series, I recommend you go and watch that just before I post part 4 out. But without further ado guys, I'm gonna go, take it easy and peace.